Safe gun handling rules. First, always keep the gun pointed in a safe direction. Second, always keep your fingers off the trigger until ready to shoot. Third, always keep the gun unloaded until ready to use. Okay.
You want to load it?
Yeah.
Good girl. How many you got?
Oh, hard.
Left.
Hard left.
That's good right there, honey. Okay, put it in the gun.
How? Is that right?
Pick up the gun.
Okay.
No, turn it around this way, honey. That way. Now
Okay.
push it up.
Like that?
Yeah, hit it.
Okay.
Okay, now point. Lift it up. Pull this back.
How?
Pull this back.
Pull it back?
Yep.
Okay.
Go. Ready to go, hon. Good job.
Like that.
That means it's ready to load again.
Ah, okay. Done na? Grab.
I got a roll ring!
Wow. Okay, this is mine.
That's mine.
This is Tony's.
That's yours, hon. Right there.
Tony's.
All these are yours.
Oh my god. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you at the next video.